Good morning, everyone. Good morning, grade 4B. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sit with your camera on. I request everyone to please sit with their camera on. Please sit with your camera on, everyone. And mic
Ma'am, my
off.
camera is on fully, but it's coming black screen.
Okay. Vedi, why your camera is upside down?
Ma'am, I don't know. It became today only.
In the last class also, I have noticed. Sit with your camera on, everyone. And please take out your textbook. Today we are not going to do revision. Take out your maths textbooks. Take out everyone your maths textbooks. Yes. And open page number, chapter number 2, page number 13. This page number you need to open. Can you all see which page number I am talking about? Asta, Mohammed, Momin, Pritika, are you all clear? Yes, this page number. Okay, we will wait 1 minute more and then we will start. Be ready. Take pencil in your hand. Dhwani, stop typing, please. Dhwani, stop typing.
Ma'am, that my brother wrote it.
Please take a note of this. No, you should not allow anyone near to you when you are studying.
Ma'am, he came. I told him to not come.
Okay. So we will wait 1 minute and then we will start the class. Let me see who all are coming late in the class. Please, I request everyone to join class on time. Join class on time.
I'm late because my sister. I have to on my sister's class. No,
You have to attend your sister's class.
I have to on the class of my sister.
You need to take care about your class also, no, to come on time.
Yes, ma'am, but she, her class also starts on 11 o'clock.
Okay. So now everyone open page number 13, textbook page. Today we are not going to do revision. Today we are doing chapter number 2, textbook exercises. So as you all know, with this chapter, with the long and short, we have done how to measure the objects, right? About the new units, meter, centimeter, kilometer. We have done how to addition and subtraction of the units, and we have done how to convert the units, and how to compare the units, how to compare two different lengths. All these topics we have covered related to this chapter. We have learned the story problems also, right? Now we are doing some textbook exercises, and please note, on Saturday, Asta, stop doing this. Please note, on Saturday there is a CET of chapter number 2. Clear? I will post it into the classroom also, but I am announcing in the class also.
This Saturday.
Chapter 2, yeah, this coming Saturday, which is the third Saturday, which will be your working Saturday. And this Saturday we are going to have a CET of chapter number 2. I will post this in the classroom also. Okay, so we have 2 classes, this class and one more class. Dhwani, mute your mic, please.
Ma'am, when is the CT? Ma'am, my voice was off. That's why. When's the CT, ma'am?
Saturday. This
And
Okay,
ma'am,
coming
this Saturday.
which
this
two classes?
today, and one is on Friday, right? We don't have tomorrow class. So today
Yes.
also we will discuss about the textbook exercises. On Friday also we will discuss, and then our chapter will be complete. and then we take a CET on Saturday. Okay. So now open page number 13. Can Pritika read for us what is written here on the page number 13? Yes, Aravapani.
I'm going to resort Saturday. Going on resort.
My dear, I have a CET on that day. It's your choice when you are going to do now. And CET, you know that you need to give the CETs. No problem. I will post in the classroom. You can see later on then.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am also out at Saturday.
My dear, but Saturday you all have that, you know, you have class. You
So,
all
ma'am,
know
I
that.
can just give the CT and leave.
That you first enter in my class and we see that.
Okay.
But it is compulsory to come on the CET days, please.
Yes, ma'am.
So can Pritika read what is written on the page number 13?
Yes, ma'am. Chapter 2, long and short. How far apart are the dots?
Can Dignesh tell us, Dignesh, what does this they are going to tell us? How far apart are the dots? What do you mean by this line?
How far centimeters like that dots are?
Yeah, there is
far.
one paper like this is given. I'm going to show you the page on here. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
This type of page is given? Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, this type of paper is given and they are telling how apart are the dots, means which are nearer, which dots are far. So, and can you guess them without measuring the distance between the two dots? Will you guess how much is the distance? It will be in the meters or the centimeters. If I ask from Arav Hapani, Arav, can you guess the distance between the L dot and the G dot will be how much?
L and
G. Don't measure it with the ruler, just guess. Arav Apani, be little faster.
Ma'am, it can be 2 centimeters.
It can be 2 centimeter. Who told this answer?
Ma'am, Prithika.
But I'm asking from the Arav Apani. Arav Apani, you need to be very quick in giving the answers.
3 centimeter.
It can be anything. It can be 2 centimeter. It can be 3 centimeter. But once you measure it with the scale, you can easily identify what is the exactly. But by guessing, you can say it is nearby 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 3 centimeter also. So if I ask, the distance between L and G is far, or the distance between A and E is far?
A and E.
Yes. Now I ask from Jignesh. Jignesh, the distance between A and J is far, or the distance between A to H is far?
A to ma'am, A to H is far.
Yes. By looking, you can identify this. On this page number, it is given only this much that you need to guess the distances. So, Jignesh, read the first column. What is written here?
Yes, and guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeters is it? How now measure it with the help of a scale. Did you guess right?
Yes. So first you identify, first you need to guess it. And if you guess 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, whatever, and then measure it with the scale. So just think whether you are correct or not. This is just an activity for yourself. Which
I think between G and L it could be 1.5 centimeter.
Okay, then you can measure it with the ruler and see how much you are correct. Okay. Next topic will be read by Dhwani. Dhwani, read the second star.
Yes, ma'am. Guess the distance between any two dots.
Second star. Second star.
Second star. Which two dots you think are farthest from each
Farthest
other? Check
from
your
each-
answer.
Can you guess, children, which two dots are
Yes, ma'am.
furthest?
O to M.
O to M. Yes. Can now Go to the next third star. Will be read by Mohammed Momin. Right. Mohammed Momin, read this.
Yeah, ma'am.
Third star.
Two dots are nearest to each other.
Can you tell which two dots are nearest to each other?
Ma'am, ma'am, AJ.
A, J are also near. O, D are also.
And M.
FM. Yes, yes. FM, OD. But here we can say OD is more near compared to FM also.
Yes. O is the nearest.
Yes, OD. So now turn the page. Go to the next page. What is written here on the next page? Who will read for me? Can you tell your name and tell me? So that I can.
Shivani.
Yes, Shivani will read this. Shivani, read this page.
Akbar was a famous king.
Wait. When I tell you to wait, you will wait. Akbar, everyone knows who was the Akbar?
Yeah, ma'am.
He was a great,
ma'am.
he was a famous
Akbar.
king.
Hindi story.
He was a king. Yes, Akbar Birbal story. I think you all have heard.
Yes, ma'am, in Hindi. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, in Hindi also and in storybooks also.
Okay, I will move to the next child. Yes, Shivani, you were reading. Please start reading.
He had a smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor.
Then read the blue part which is written.
Birbal, here is a line. Make it shorter without erasing.
Then what the Birbal is saying?
Now your line is shorter.
You know that Akbar always asks the challenging question with the Birbal, and Birbal is very intelligent how he has to give the answer. So now what he was asking students, the Akbar was asking from Birbal what to do.
Man, that has to erase the line.
He don't need, he don't have to.
Make the line shorter.
Without erasing the line, he has to make the line shorter. Now raise a virtual hand who will tell me the answer of this, that how it is possible without erasing a line, how you can make a line shorter. Raise your virtual hand so that I can call your name. No, please raise your virtual hand. And wait 1 minute, let me take the attendance and then again we will start. By the time you please raise your hands, I'll call your name. Arush Miani will tell us. Yes, Arush Miani, can you give us the idea how he has made the line shorter without erasing it?
Ma'am, Birbal has line. He has make a big line.
Yes, he had made one big line in near to that line and say, now see, your line is shorter automatically, right? Yes, if one line is given to you, if you make a one big more line, then automatically that will be shorter. He was very intelligent. Don't you think? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it is written, look at the picture and explain how Birbal made Akbar's line shorter. Now you can be as smart as Birbal if you give quick answer like this. Make this line shorter without erasing it. Just think, is there any longest line? Now, go to the next point. Next point, Dheer will read for me. Dheer?
After some time, can I ask you a riddle?
Yes. Okay. Next, Dheer will read the next line. Dheer, try this. This one read for me.
Draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup.
First read, make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. So children, start doing in your textbook. If suppose this is 2 centimeter, so you need to draw a left arm which is 1 centimeter longer. So how much it will be? If
3
suppose,
centimeter.
yes, if suppose this is 2 centimeter, then the left arm will be 3 centimeter, 1 meter long. If I say suppose this is right hand is 4 centimeter and 1 centimeter long will be how much then?
5 centimeter.
Ma'am, you have to draw the hand.
5 centimeter.
Yes, yeah, please draw the way it is showing here on the screen. Now listen here everyone. Again, I am twisting it and giving you more ideas. If suppose I say the right hand is 6 centimeter, draw 1 centimeter more than the, draw a left hand which is more than 1 centimeter than the left hand, than the right hand. So how much you will draw?
7,
If-
ma'am. 7.
Yes, 7.
7.
If your right hand is 6, then your left hand will be 7 because they are saying 1 centimeter more. It means what are you learning here? You are learning how to add the centimeters and getting 1 plus. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Please draw this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. So see here already one cup is there. Wait, 1 cup is already there. Measure this cup and draw 1 more cup near to it which is 1 centimeter shorter than. Suppose this cup is 3 centimeters. So what will be your shorter cup? What is the length of your shorter cup?
Ma'am, 2 centimeter.
Very good. So here you are learning subtracting. Got it? Which you have already learned. Next, draw a broom half as long as this broom. What do you mean by the half? Who will tell me what do you mean by the word half?
The half of it.
Yes.
Ma'am, shorter.
Yes. So you can see here, we can draw the half of the broom also. Cup also, then broom. Draw another hair of double the length of this hair. You can see one face is there. Half broom you can draw like this. Are you all doing along with me?
Yes, ma'am.
And now you can see the double of. They have not given the length of this, but by assuming it, if we say, if the length of this hair is 1 centimeter, if the double of this is how much? In the fourth one, if the hair length is 2, the double will be 4. Or if it is 1, then double will be 2. Yes. Now go to the next page. How tall have you grown? So next child will read for me. Astha. Astha, read this page for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Astha, please.
Ma'am, next page.
Yeah, page is there showing page number 15.
Yes, ma'am. How tall have you given?
How
Do you
tall?
remember- Do you
How-
remember that?
Hmm.
Do you remember that in class 3 you measured your height? Do you think you have grown taller?
Taller.
How much?
Taller. Bade, height mein. Tailor is the another one. Who stitches clothes is called the tailor. Taller. Okay. Now, my question, mute yourself. Now, my question is common from everyone. Children, please raise your hands who all have measured their heights in the grade 3 when they were in grade 3. Raise your virtual hands who all have measured their height. And even if they have not measured, so are you thinking, Mama कहती है तुम बड़े हो रहे हो, लंबे हो रहे हो? Have you noticed these words? And you have also noticed, measured also कि आप बड़े हुए हो, लंबे हुए हो. There is a difference between the heights now.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
not measured in grade 3, but some days in vacation I measured my length, my height in centimeter. It was 142 centimeters.
Okay. But you have not measured how much it was before. If you could have measured, no, you can find the difference that how much you have grown up. Right? How much taller you are now.
Ma'am,
Now, is there any child measure?
Ma'am, I have measured, but I don't know the height. I
Is
forgot.
there any child who have measured in the grade 3 and now also if they have measured, they can find the difference between their how much they have.
Ma'am, I found
But I have
1 centimeter difference.
1 centimeter. Okay. So you become only 1 centimeter taller in the 1 year. Yes.
Ma'am, it's so
Ma'am, 3
ma'am,
centimeters.
it's so less taller.
Ma'am, three.
So it is whatever your answer you can write in the blank. How
Ma'am,
much
you are
that
asking in a
centimeter?
year.
Yeah, in a year only. If in grade 3, if you have measured, now you are in grade 4.
Ma'am, I am saying 6 months.
Ma'am, I have not.
Grown to 2 centimeter.
Okay, whatever, how much you become taller, so you please write it in the box. It is everyone's answer will be different, not same. Okay. So now,
Ma'am, I have not measured my height in grade 3.
okay, no, now you can measure and afterwards, yeah, a few
I
days also
think
you
I
can.
have grown 5. Ma'am, I think I have grown 6
Here,
7 centimeters.
okay, here they are saying, do you remember that in class 3 you measure your height? If I measure, I say yes. And if you have not measured, you write no. Do you think you have grown up taller? Yes, because obviously you will grow taller. Either half centimeter or 1 centimeter. कितना तो grown up होगा ही, right? Then how much? This also answer also will be different from person to person. आप कितने हुए हैं? Everyone's answer will not come same. So please write your own answer. Have your friends also grown taller? Yes, most of them have grown taller. काफी बच्चे हो जाते हैं 1 year में tall. थोड़े बहुत तो होते ही हैं. So you, yes, Dee?
Ma'am, my brother is there. He's 1 year, means he's 1 year shorter than me.
Mm-hmm.
He is of 8 years and I am of 9 years, but his height is longer than me.
Yeah, it can be possible. It can be possible, right?
Yes, ma'am, it's possible.
Yeah. Depend on the food habits, depend on everything, how much exercises, everything depends. So it can depend. Go to the next one.
Laptop and charging.
Yes. So go to the next one now. Next page is find out and fill the table below. There is a table below given. That is your home task you will do today. But I am explaining how you need to do is your friend's name. You need to write your friend's name, whatever is your friend name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 friends you select. If nowadays you cannot go outside to select the friends. So you take your family members, right? Take 5 family members. Last year height, you can ask them and you write their this year height. Okay. It can be on the basis of, see, listen, my dear students. It can be right now, you ask them if they have measured the last year height, write that also. And you ask them what is their current height this year, write that also. And how many centimeter they have grown up. So how you will find this? By finding the difference. So 1 meter 35 centimeter is bigger, it will come first. Then 1 meter 25 centimeter smaller will come next. And from centimeter to centimeter, when you minus 0, 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is 10 centimeter only. So this way you will learn the subtraction which you have already learned how to subtract. In this way, when you find the 5 people's heights, the last year height and this year height, complete this table and find the difference. So this way you will learn the subtraction of meter and centimeter, which you have already learned, but it's a practice for you. Do this table. Am I clear with you all? Will you do it? Show me thumbs up. Okay. So please tick that table and write HW. This is your homework.
Okay, ma'am. Now can I ask you a riddle?
Yeah, I will give you a time. Okay. Jumper once read a list of the tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jumper's height. How tall is Jumper? If If I say there is a one person who is just double of me and that person height is 4 centimeter, what is my height then? Who will tell
2
me?
centimeter.
Yes, how you have find out? 4
By
divided by
subtraction, you said
2.
half of that.
When we are finding half of any number, we divide it with the 2. So here the 272 centimeter tall is the person. And it's just the double of Jampa. So what is Jampa's height? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, 4
Jampa?
centimeter.
No. Here the person height is 272 centimeters. 272. That person is just double of Jampa. Suppose I am Jampa, right? And Jignesh is that person. Jignesh is taller than me, but the height of Jignesh is 272 centimeter. Height of mine is just the half of Jignesh.
Ma'am, 270 centimeter.
Half of Jignesh height.
174 centimeters.
No. No. Because Jignesh height is just double of my height. What is my height then?
Ma'am,
Jignesh height.
ma'am, can I say 136?
Excellent. 136 centimeter. Because you have to divide it by 2. When you are taking a half of any number, you divide it by 2. Yes or no? Go to the next. Imagine, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? It's your imagination. Tell me yes or no. Children, tell me yes or no.
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 No, it will not pass. It will be taller.
No.
It depends. Since the door of the classroom is, you need to find out first the door of how much is the length of the door of the classroom. If it is more or less, then you only can find out. Or if you are seeing at home, ab ghar pe dekhiye, measure the height of the from the floor till the door, measure the length, and then see is your father able to cross that door or not.
Yes, ma'am. My father is able to cross the door.
So for this, what you need to find out, you need to see your father's length, you need to see the door's length, and then you can find out the difference, so whether they're able to go or not. These are the activities which you can practically try. Yes or no, students?
Yes.
These are the activities which you can personally try it, that whether you're able to go it or no. Right? Now go to the next one. Will his hat touch the floor? Will his hat touch the floor? Yes, because the height of the, because here the height of the floor is, of the classroom is greater, that's why it touch. So it is different. The answers may vary from student to student. Now next, the long and the short of your family. Now comes to the family. Who is the tallest in your family? Suppose there are maybe 4 members, mother, father, brother, sister. But some families are joint families also. They have more members in their families. So how you will compare? Dada, dadi, mother, father, brother, sister, everyone is there in your family. All together stand in one line and see who is taller. And then write. It's your task to do it. Okay? It's not, I cannot teach you to that, okay, it is compulsory that in your family only father is the tallest. No. Maybe you have grandfather and the grandmother at your family. Maybe they have the taller height compared to your father. So there is no one answer. I cannot tell you to write only the father here. To everyone common answer. No. For this also everyone answer is different. Am I clear? This depends on your family to family. You see how many members are in your family. See their heights. Tell them one day. Tell them, okay, ma'am, Mama, Papa, I got one activity to do. I want to measure everyone's height and I want to see who is taller. Okay.
Ma'am, can I count my cousins?
Now, okay, wait a minute. I want to see, tell few students to stand. Pritika, stand and show, arrange your camera in such a way so that you can fully visible to us. Arush Miani, stand. Viha, stand. Jignesh, stand. Arth Gujarati, stand. Stand in such a way so that you can be fully visible to us. Yes. So now students, if we see their heights, can you tell me? We can arrange them from shorter to longer. So who is shorter out of these 5 students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dhwani, no.
Ma'am, Viha.
Yeah.
The one, yes. Viha is the
Viha.
shorter. Then which come the next? Which will come the next one?
Ma'am, Arush.
I told Ayush Miani also to stand. Is he there in the class right now?
Yes, ma'am, I am there.
Ma'am, he's there.
Yes, Arush Miani, can you please stand? Viha is first one. I told Viha, Arush, Jignesh, and 2, 3 students more were there.
Ma'am, Arush. Arush is the second shot.
Arush, just tell Jignesh, you please stand properly.
Ma'am, my camera is zoomed. That's why you can't see my full body. That's why.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me, children, who is the tallest out of these?
Pritika.
Yes, Pritika. So this identification is clear to you all, how to find the tallest and how to see the shorter, who is shorter, how to arrange them from shorter to the longest and from longest to the shorter. This all are clear to you all. When you stand in your assembly line, right? When you stand in your assembly line, always ma'am tells you how to stand.
Yes, ma'am. Longer. Ma'am, shorter.
Ma'am, shorter to longer.
Shorter to longer. Why?
Because small one can see.
See properly, and the longest तो पीछे से भी देख लेगा, है ना? Yes. So these are the basic points behind that. Yes. Yes, Jignesh, can you tell us so that we can discuss the remaining pages in our next class?
Which ma'am written?
Wait a minute. Can I take one more page, page number 16, and then we listen the Jignesh riddle, okay? Yes, inter-school sports meet. There is a racing going on between the friends. They are going to race. See, this is the page I'm telling you to open, everyone. Wait a minute. This page, everyone please open. It is there visible on my screen? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
This is the 100-meter race. 100-meter race. 100 meter, when we convert it into the centimeter, how many centimeters?
Ma'am, 800.
Ma'am, it's 100 meters.
Ma'am, 1000 centimeters.
1000 centimeter.
Ma'am,
No. Just check. It's 100 meters. And 100 meter, when converted into the centimeter, how many centimeters?
Ma'am, 1 lakh centimeter.
Ma'am, 1 centimeter.
Again, you are
Ma'am,
not
1 lakh
confused.
centimeter.
How 1 lakh centimeter?
Ma'am,
1,000.
Check.
Ma'am, 10,000.
Yes, 10,000 centimeters.
Ma'am, should I tell?
Yes, Krisha.
Ma'am, it will be 100 centimeters.
100 meters
Sorry,
already
1,000.
given.
1,000 centimeters.
Others, please be quiet. Let Krisha give the answer. Krisha, 100 meters. If we are talking about 100 meters and converted into the centimeters, how many centimeters?
Ma'am, 1,000 meters. 1,000 centimeters.
100 multiplied by 100 when you do, what you will get?
200.
200. Excellent. Then this is the right answer, my dear. Wrong. 100 multiplied by 100 is 200. Tell me, Krisha. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 and will be 4 zeros you will get along with the 1. So it will be how many?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can say
Yes, please.
10,000.
Yes, 10,000. Go to the next one. Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from it. So she needs, to reach this finishing line, she needs to just only finish the 6 meters more. Behind her is Rehana, Konkana and Uma. These three friends are back to back. एक दूसरे के पीछे हैं. Are running behind Rehana. Look at this picture to answer the questions below and choose from these distances. There are 4 different distances are given, and the answer will be from these 4 distances only. How far is Rihanna from Arundhati? Rihanna from Arundhati. So if you see the distance from finishing line to Arundhati is 6. So this is just the half of this, the distance between Arundhati and the Rihanna. So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, half meter.
Half of 6 is half meter.
Ma'am, 3
Ma'am,
meters.
it's 3 meters. Ma'am, it's
Yes.
3 meters.
6 divided by 2 is 3 meters. Whenever we find the half of any number, we divide it by 2. Next, how far ahead is Rihanna from Konkana and Uma? So if you see the distance from finishing line to Arundhati is 6 meters. So Rihanna and Konkana may be distance utna hi hai. So it will be 6 meters. How far are Konkana and Uma from finishing line? Konkana and Uma. If the Konkana and Uma finishing line से लेकर कितने दूर है? Tell me. Who will tell me?
Ma'am, 15 meters.
How? But how? Who will tell me? Who will explain this to me? कि Uma and Konkana जो है, that they are how far from the finishing line? We have
Ma'am, 15
calculated.
meters.
How? You will explain me?
Because 6 meters is Rihanna, and in that 6 meters Rihanna is 3 meters, that it equals to 9, and Rihanna and Uma and Konkana are 6 meters beside that before
Yes.
the finishing line.
So we can say the distance from finishing line to Rihanna is 6 meters. Yes, which you already know. Then from Arundhati is the first one, no? From Arundhati is Rihanna is 3 meters. And from Rihanna, Uma and Konkana is again 6 meters. So from finishing line to Rihanna, from finishing line to Arundhati is 6. Arundhati to Rihanna is 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. And from Rihanna to Konkana is again 6. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So we can say from finishing line to Konkana, there is a distance of 15 meters. Got it, everyone? Yes? So we end up here, and we will discuss the more exercises in our next coming class. And please
Can I
note
say the
Saturday
result?
is your, please note Saturday is your CET. Thank you, and stay here. Jignesh, stay. We will listen to it.
Ma'am,